Just woke up mga auntie. Mga auntie, just got for the day. If there's a relationship that didn't work out, then it's okay, you're protected. If someone did not appreciate you, it's still okay, you're protected. And if someone walks out from your life without second thoughts, pause, it's good. Just say, it's my pleasure, you're protected. Because every time you pray to God and it's an answered prayer, so that means that you're protected. So, if you wish or if you pray for you to be in your highest destiny, then God will protect you. So just keep in mind that if there are things that is not meant for you, or if there's some prayers that are an answered prayer, so God actually protected you from getting hurt, from feeling this pain. Basta mauna mga auntie. Nalaglang ko pa mga auntie. Kusog kayong uwan mga auntie. As in, gauwan na sa inyo mga auntie. Anyways, gauwan na for the day. Just know that if things are not meant to happen in your life and you wanted it so badly, just be patient because you're protected. And God actually wants the best for you. Okay? Sige mga auntie, good morning. Bye.